this? No.
Come this way.
I'm not.
What type of horses are these?
This is Belgian.
Belgians.
So they're workhorses. They're the second largest workhorse for supply chain.
Thank
And
you.
he gave up.